Keeping little hands clean might seem like a small thing, but it makes a big difference for your family's health. Every day, kids touch toys, floors, phones, and faces, picking up invisible germs that can easily lead to colds, coughs, and stomach bugs. The good news is that a simple habit, hand washing, can help protect babies, toddlers, parents, and grandparents from getting sick as often. This short guide will show you easy, realistic ways to make hand washing a fun, everyday routine in your home, so you can enjoy more healthy days together. Easy tips parents can use to stop germs, protect little ones, and skip more sick days. Clean hands, happy kids, the simple family hand washing guide. Guide number 1. Why clean hands matter. Why clean hands matter. We touch toys, phones, doorknobs, and each other all day. Germs can ride on our hands into our mouths, noses, and eyes. For babies and toddlers, germs can make them sick more easily. Good news, washing hands is a super easy way to protect everyone. Guide number 2. Germs you can't see. Germs you can't see. Germs are tiny, we can't see them, but they can make us sick. They can cause colds and coughs, flu and COVID, stomach bugs, vomiting and diarrhea. Simple rule for kids. Invisible germs. Clean hands often. Guide number 3. When families should wash hands. When families should wash hands, all family members, even toddlers with help, should wash. Before eating or touching food. After using the bathroom or changing diapers. After coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose. After coming home from outside, daycare, or school. After touching pets, garbage, or dirty laundry. Whenever hands look or feel dirty, for toddlers, use simple phrases. Before we eat, we wash our hands. After potty, we wash our hands. Guide number 4. How to wash, family version. 1. Wet hands with clean running water. 2. Add soap, say 1 pump for kids. 3. Rub and scrub for at least 20 seconds. Palms, backs of hands, between fingers, thumbs, fingertips and nails. 4. Rinse well under water. 5. Dry with a clean towel or air dry. For toddlers, turn it into a bubbly hand dance. Guide number 5. Make it fun for toddlers. Make it fun for toddlers. Sing a 20-second song while scrubbing, like Happy Birthday twice. The ABC song. Use a step stool so toddlers can reach the sink. Give them colourful soap or a fun soap dispenser. Praise them. Wow, you're a hand-washing superhero. Guide number 6. Soap vs. hand sanitizer at home. Soap versus hand sanitizer at home. Soap and water, best for home, especially after bathroom, diapers, or before eating. Hand sanitizer, 60% plus alcohol. Use when you're out and no sink is nearby. For toddlers and little kids, adults should help and supervise. Guide number 7. Parents as role models. Parents as role models. Kids copy what they see. Wash your hands where they can watch you. Say what you're doing. I'm washing away the germs before I cook. We just got home. Let's all wash hands together. Turn it into a family habit. First thing home, wash hands. Guide number 8. Common mistakes at home. Common mistakes at home. Quick rinse with just water, no soap. Only 3 to 5 seconds of scrubbing. Skipping before snacks or breastfeeding and/or bottle feeding. Letting kids run out of the bathroom without washing. Fix, remember, soap plus 20 seconds. Clean hands. Guide number 9. Benefits for the whole family. Benefits for the whole family: fewer colds and stomach bugs, less missed daycare, school, and work. Protects grandparents and anyone with weaker immune systems. Toddlers learn a healthy habit that lasts for life. Guide number 10. Simple family rules. Simple family rules. Before we eat, we wash our hands. After the bathroom, we wash our hands. When we get home, we wash our hands. Put a small picture or sticker by the sink to remind kids. Soap, bubbles, and happy hands. Thank you for taking the time to learn about healthy hand-washing habits for your family. Even small changes, like one extra hand wash before a snack or turning hand-washing into a fun routine, can make a big difference in keeping your little ones and everyone around them safe and well. Start with one simple rule at home today. Stick with it, and watch your children grow up seeing clean hands as just another loving way your family takes care of each other.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.